Ang daming bawal kay Boss M, wala namang music, may copyright issue. Ito yung video na in-upload ko. Sabi dyan, your video is muted in certain countries where Meta does not have music rights. So, ito yung mga list ng countries. Ayan. Dahil nasasayangan ako sa video, hindi ko remove. So, ang pipiliin ko is yung number 1, accept changes. Sabi dyan na, you acknowledge these changes and the actions will remain applied to your video. So, yun yung una, yung pinili ko. And then, ang lumabas, sabi dyan na, here's what has happened so far. So, yung pangalawang bullet, sabi dyan na, if you violate copyright again, your ability to post content may be restricted or your account may be disabled. So, syempre, natakot tayo and dahil sa sunod-sunuran tayo kay Boss M. So, hindi ko in-accept yung changes, kundi na bumalik ako at remove ko na lang yung video. Yan, at sabi dyan, the video will be removed from Facebook including anywhere it was shared. Para wala nang masyadong eme-eme yan, dinilit ko na lang at sabi dyan, the issue is resolved. So, yun lang po. Thank you for watching.